HubSpot and Teamwork integrate seamlessly. Thanks to Teamwork Automations, you can now set any state change in HubSpot to automatically create a project or task in Teamwork, and setting up this automation couldn't be easier. To begin setting up the automation, just navigate to the Automation button in Project List or Table View. Here you'll find the HubSpot Automations, where you can create a project or task in Teamwork based on a change of state in HubSpot. If you haven't already integrated with HubSpot, you'll need to follow the prompts to log into your HubSpot account and approve the integration with Teamwork. The When section is where you select at what stage in the deal the automation should trigger. In this case, we'll go with closed won. The Then section is where you'll fill in some data about the projects that will automatically be created. Select a template, customize the naming convention, and add a description. You can set the projects to automatically add in data from HubSpot into these fields to make sure that these projects are easier to find, such as deal name and deal stage. Once you've saved your automation, just head over to HubSpot and change the deal state to closed won. And now you'll see that the project has already been created in Teamwork. To automatically create a task, return to your automation window and select the task option. Again, choose your deal state for HubSpot, and similar to previously, the Then window is where you can fill in the important details such as project, task name, and more. And once you change your deal state in HubSpot, you can see the task has automatically been added accordingly in Teamwork. And that's it. That's how easy it is to automate your workflow between HubSpot and Teamwork. No more having to manually add tasks and projects whenever a new deal has progressed.